Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are designing Idiyappam Maker. This is already completed in all the parts, individual components design. This link is available in your card. This is for assembly session. Select new assembly. Okay, browse part number 1. Okay, and then again select browse part number 2. Again select new component part number 3. Again select browse part number 4. Again select part number 5. Okay, now going to assemble mat concentrate to concentricity. And then select the inner face and this top face. Okay, should be mated. Now going to mate inner provision. This side only the idiyappam mass should be extracted. Okay, the side surfaces. Okay, it should be mated. Okay, this located. And then top surface to this top surface. Now going to inner surface to inner surface. We're going to edit. The length is 10 mm for flip direction. Okay, should be increased 15. Okay. Now going to fix a center rod. This rod is rotating and extract the idiyappam. Mat command and select the outer surface and inner surface. Okay. Flip direction. Okay. Just have to drag. Left click and drag, in the sense be moving. Okay. Change the background. So white color. Going to make a motion study. This is a motion study command. So to drag it and then adjust. Should be just to moving based on the guidances. What are the constraints we will give? The same constraints. The components should be move like that. Okay, this is a motor. Motor is locating the shaft. It's a linear motor. It's moving topwards. Guidance of this top position, top cap. It is moving around 10 seconds. Should be drag, in the sense it is moving 10 seconds. Okay, another one motor. It is locating in bottom of the shaft. We can hide the bottom of the portion and then we will locating in bottom of the shaft. It is rotating, rotary motion. Okay. The velocity is 10. It's constant speed only. Okay. Now going to unhide. Okay, I'm going to animate. Now. It should be rotating in extract string position. It should be extracting. After idiyappam should be coming, the rod should be extracted. I'm going to keep a motor. It's a anti-clockwise direction, and its guidance of this top cap only, the same one. This is now going to so another one motor. So give a bottom side. This is for downwards direction. Last one is the upward direction, clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction, is a downward direction. Okay, it's also increasing 10 seconds. Okay, it's a downward direction. Thank you for watching our Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel.